What's up, peeps? This is your girl, JQue, and you're listening to Valley Sounds. I'm super excited tonight to share with you some of my local favorite music. Tonight, we're going to include Remy Neal, Tim Cannon, and Joy Tiffany. But let's kick off this segment with my boy Marcus Green and Glow in the Dark.
If you don't mind, may I steal your time? I'm not gonna try to game you. No lady, just won't get to know you. Yeah, baby. Your smile ain't felt that in a while, so unfamiliar. But it's gorgeous, you're so gorgeous, baby. Stuck on the past and what they told you. Your pain hangs on your shoulder, and while you think it over, I can tell you don't see the light anymore. You don't see how incredible, how beautiful you are. Girl, you glow in the dark, 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 dark. Yeah, you glow in the dark, dark, dark. You don't see how incredible, how beautiful you are. Simple compliments, it don't seem you can take them. Your lack of confidence, you ain't got a reason. Now I ain't trying to throw no pressure, no shade, none whatsoever. But whoever did you wrong, girl, and ain't nowhere around, never saw your smile. Ain't felt that in a while, so unfamiliar. But it's so gorgeous, you're gorgeous, baby. Stuck on the past and what they told you. Your pain hangs on your shoulder, and while you think it over, I can tell, yeah. You don't see the light anymore. No, no. You don't see how incredible, how beautiful, so beautiful you are. Girl, you glow in the dark, dark, dark. Yeah, you glow in the dark, dark, dark. You don't see how incredible, how beautiful you are. Girl, you glow in the dark, yeah. I don't wanna give the wrong impression, baby. Just notice you're not used to feeling love, love, love. Even when you try to hide your feelings lately, you sigh and shake your head, but I can tell, yeah. You don't see the light anymore. You don't see how incredible, how beautiful, so beautiful you are. Yeah, you glow in the dark, in the dark. You don't see how incredible, how beautiful you are. Hey, if you don't mind, may I steal your time? I'm not gonna try to blame you. No lady, just wanna get to know you. Yeah, baby. I can tell you don't see the light anymore. You don't see how incredible, how beautiful you are.
I don't take pictures anymore. Only this moment can last. Who I was, what came before. I broke the chains that held the past. All I have is here and now. And right now I'm here with you. You're my perfect picture, girl. And I wonder if you knew that I believe that anything's possible. If we could just conquer this world. With me, we can do anything together. Just making it up as we go. Peel your eyes off of your phone. Don't let your life pass you by. You may think that they're your friends. It's just a superficial high. Soon you're never good enough. Too fat, too thin, too much makeup. But a screen can never give you love. Won't you just look up? All I need is here and now. All I want right now is you. You're my perfect picture, girl. And I think it's time to you that I believe that anything's possible. If you could just walk through this world with me, we can do anything together. Just making it up as we go. So we take some time to unplug. We're silly, simple, perfect us. The sky's the limit, headed up. Just say yes if you're in love. I believe that anything's possible. If you could just walk through this world with me, we can do anything together. Just making it up as we go. Oh, that I believe anything is possible. If you could just walk through this world with me, we can do anything together. Oh, just making it up as we go. And as we go.
That was Remy Neal, Making It Up. You're listening to Valley Sounds on 89.3 Huntsville. Up next, we have my girl Joy Tiffany with You Know Too.
Ain't gotta look around for nobody. Just look inside, you know. Common sense, man, tell me where are you? I need you 'cause right now I'm feeling like a fool. Ow, 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 I'm all up in the streets, asking everybody all about my business. Now they know about it. But if I just would've trusted inside, I would've saved myself a heartache tonight. You ain't gotta ask nobody. Ain't gotta look around for nobody. Just look inside, you know. He said, baby, I'm gonna get something to eat, but I know that is a lie. He's probably running up the street, laying under Ashley, populating the shit. It's not always doing one right. I felt it deep inside. Ain't gotta look around for nobody. Just look inside, you know. Just look inside and listen to To all your knowledge and wisdom, please trust your heart, you know. You say you care for me, but I know deep inside that you get out of my sight. You have to leave tonight. That I know you ain't gotta ask nobody. Shut up, ain't gotta look around for nobody. Just look inside and listen. Just trust yourself. Just look inside. Please trust your heart. You know. Please trust your heart. Please trust your heart. Please trust your heart. Trust in yourself. You know.
Your love's a wildfire, burning down deep in my soul. A consuming desire. I'm just about to lose control. Got me hotter than gasoline on a fire. Heart pumping 99 miles an hour. Spinning like a Talladega race car tire. I'm a fool for you. Burning like a lantern in the Georgia sky. You melt me, honey, and I'm ready to fry. Got me hotter than the Alabama Crimson Tide. Baby, roll, tide, roll. Your love's a wildfire, an eternal flame burning up my mind. You're like a live wire, honey, you flip my switch every time. Got me hotter than gasoline on a fire. Heart pumping 99 miles an hour. Spinning like a Talladega race car tire. I'm a fool for you. Burning like a lantern in the Georgia sky. You melt me, honey, and I'm ready to fry. Got me hotter than the Alabama Crimson Tide. Baby, roll, tide, roll. Your love's a wildfire. Just scatter my ashes to the wind. Come on, take me higher. Do it all over again and again. Got me hotter than gasoline on a fire. Heart pumping 99 miles an hour. Spinning like a Talladega race car tire. I'm a fool for you. Wildfire. You're a wildfire. Got me hotter than gasoline on a fire. Heart pumping 99 miles an hour. Spinning like a Talladega race car tire. I'm a fool for you. Burning like a lantern in the Georgia sky. You melt me, honey, and I'm ready to fry. Got me hotter than the Alabama Crimson Tide. Baby, roll, tide, roll. Roll, tide, roll.
Roll Tide, ladies and gentlemen. That was Tim Cannon with Wildfire. Early in this segment, we heard from Remy Neal with Making It Up, Joy Tiffany with You Know Too, and we started the segment with Marquise Green, Glow in the Dark. Thanks so much for joining me tonight as I share some of my local favorite musicians. Remember, you can catch a podcast replay of all the music and the interviews that you're hearing tonight at WLRH.org under the Programs tab for Valley Sounds. This is your girl, JQue, and thanks for listening.